This video is about my deity worship routine. Hare Krishna dear friends, welcome to Vedic Girl channel. So many of you asked me to make a video on how do I worship our deities at home. We have Gaur and Nitai deities who came to us around 8 years back. And the standards increased gradually as per our abilities and resources. When I first got my deities, I was a student. I used to get only 5,000 rupees per month to maintain myself. I used to live in a rented room, go to study in a cycle. So I didn't have enough resources and time to take care of my deities. At that time, I used to offer them whatever I eat and read for them Srimad Bhagavatam and do kirtan. Nothing else. Sometimes I used to steal flowers here and there and offer. But after marriage, we took the deity worship little seriously. Still not as per temple standards, but it is way higher than earlier when I was a student. So let's see what we do for them. First, I take bath and prepare breakfast and wake them up at around 7 or 8 a.m. Then I offer them food, water and flowers. I don't change their outfits daily, but I wish I come to that standard someday. Throughout the day, they hear our chanting, reading, etc. Then in the evening at around 8 p.m. we offer arati with incense, fire, water, cloth, flowers, chamara and sound of the gong. While I'm doing arati, my husband sings Gaur arati. Then I wash the arati plates. In the temple, after doing arati, I used to scrub brush arati utensils to make them shine. But now our deities have very tiny silver arati plates, so after washing them with water, I just wipe them and dry with a cotton towel. So it takes me 4 minutes to do that. Then I put the deities on their bed and massage their feet while offering my personal prayers and asking forgiveness for our offenses we committed on that day. Then they go to sleep. So this is the simple daily routine, and it takes for me around an hour or 40 minutes for everything. Other than that, we try to offer them clothes from very fine natural fabrics, silver ornaments and sometimes small semi or precious stones as per our means. The house where we live belongs to them. If I am wearing nice clothes and jewelry, then why not to offer to the deities those, huh? I hate wearing artificial jewelry myself, so why we have to offer everything artificial to deities? In my opinion, that shows that we put ourselves more in the center and give everything cheap to the Lord. But yes, if some persons have intense desire to offer jewelries but he doesn't have Lakshmi, then he could offer imitation jewelries. But if Krishna given us some Lakshmi, then we need to use those mostly for their pleasure. Actually, the Grihasta's mindset should be that first deities should get the best product, then we get their remnants. If we wear very fine dresses ourselves, then we should definitely offer the finest clothes to the deities. If we wear only gold, silver items, then deities also should wear such things. That way we learn putting God or Krishna in the center. We used to love to be in a center of the world. Now we need to teach ourselves to put Krishna in the center. That way our lives will be perfect. Few months ago, I read an article where writer was talking about Brajavasis and their devotion. Even if they don't have money, they save and buy a good quality fan. And that fan they used to put in the altar. In India, electricity is not cheap and it is very hot. Sometimes it is not possible to survive hot summers with no fan. But these Brajavasis save money and buy a single fan and face it towards their beloved deities. And what we do at home is a simple imitation of such Brajavasis, selfless love and devotion. we prayed to reach their stage in one of our million lives. So this was about the daily deity worship routine at home. And final thing I want to tell you is to take standards, big or small, but which you can follow regularly without a break. Start with small things, like offering food once a day. Then time will come when you will start offering all those aratis, precious garments, and so on. And remember that if you do one step towards Krishna, Krishna is ready to do his 10 steps towards you. And do you remember what was the size of Krishna's 3 steps? Yes, he could easily cover all 3 planetary systems with just 2 steps, and stepped the other on the head of Bali Maharaj. Thank you.